Have you ever wondered? Hello everyone. Welcome back to Inquisitive Creation. My name is Gilo, and I will be your trusted companion to explain things you ever wondered about but does not exactly know what they are. Have you ever wondered why you feel sluggish and irritable after a junk food binge? Or why a nutritious meal can leave you feeling energized and positive? Well, stick around because we're about to dive deep into the science behind how our diet impacts our mood and mental well-being. In today's fast-paced world, we often focus on how our diet affects our physical health. We always think about weight management, heart health, and diabetes prevention. However, we tend to overlook its profound impact on our mental health. Yet, the food we consume plays a crucial role in shaping our cognitive function, emotional stability, and overall mental well-being. Throughout this video, we'll explore the fascinating research linking diet and mental health, debunk common myths, and provide you with practical strategies to harness the power of nutrition for a healthier mind. So, whether you're dealing with stress, anxiety, mood swings, or just want to optimize your mental performance, this video is for you. But before we start, if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an informative and thought-provoking video. Let's start by delving into the science behind the diet-mind connection. Our brains are incredibly complex organs, requiring a constant supply of nutrients to function optimally. Just like a high-performance car needs premium fuel to run smoothly, our brains need high-quality nutrients to maintain peak performance. Research has shown that certain nutrients play critical roles in brain function and mental health. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna are essential for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells. These healthy fats have been linked to reduced rates of depression and improved cognitive function. Similarly, B vitamins, particularly folate and B12, are crucial for the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in our brains that regulate mood, sleep, appetite, and more. A deficiency in these vitamins has been associated with an increased risk of depression and cognitive decline. But it's also not just about individual nutrients. The foods we eat can influence our gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria living in our digestive system. Recent research has unveiled a fascinating connection between our gut and our brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. This bidirectional communication system means that the state of our gut can significantly impact our mental health and vice versa. A diet rich in diverse, plant-based foods promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which in turn can positively influence our mood and cognitive function. Now, let's explore how our dietary choices can impact specific mental health conditions. It's important to note that while diet plays a significant role, it's not a standalone solution for mental health issues. Professional medical advice should always be sought for mental health concerns. Depression is one area where the impact of diet has been extensively studied. A meta-analysis found that a diet high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, olive oil, and low-fat dairy was associated with a decreased risk of depression. On the flip side, a diet high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats has been linked to an increased risk of depression. This Western diet pattern can lead to chronic inflammation in the body, which is increasingly recognized as a contributing factor to depression and other mental health disorders. Anxiety is another condition that can be influenced by our diet. Foods rich in magnesium, such as leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains, have been shown to have a calming effect on the nervous system. Conversely, excessive caffeine and alcohol consumption can exacerbate anxiety symptoms in some individuals. Cognitive function and memory are also closely tied to our dietary habits. For instance, the MIND diet, which combines elements of the Mediterranean and DASH diets, emphasizes on foods like leafy greens, nuts, berries, beans, whole grains, fish, poultry, olive oil, and wine. On the other hand, the DASH diet focuses on reducing sodium intake and eating nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to lower blood pressure. Both diets are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, which can support brain health. Studies suggest that these diets can improve cognitive function and memory, potentially reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Now that we've established the importance of diet in mental health, let's look at some specific foods and nutrients that have been shown to have a positive impact on our mood and cognitive function. When it comes to foods that positively impact our mood and cognitive function, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are at the top of the list. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, these brain-boosting powerhouses are essential for brain cell structure and have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that regular consumption of fatty fish can reduce the risk of depression and cognitive decline. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are another excellent choice. Packed with folate, a B vitamin crucial for producing mood-regulating neurotransmitters. They're also rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells from oxidative stress. Berries, including blueberries and strawberries, are rich in flavonoids, antioxidants that have been shown to improve memory and delay cognitive aging. Their anti-inflammatory properties may also help combat depression. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting brain health and potentially reducing the risk of depression and anxiety. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics, which can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome closely linked to better mental health. For those with a sweet tooth, there's good news. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids that can improve blood flow to the brain and enhance cognitive function. It also contains small amounts of caffeine and theobromine, which can boost mood and alertness. Lastly, the vibrant yellow spice turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some studies suggest it may help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, making it a valuable addition to a brain-healthy diet. When it comes to diet and mental health, several myths persist that need to be addressed. One common misconception is that sugar directly causes depression. While excessive sugar consumption is indeed associated with an increased risk of depression, it's not a direct cause and effect relationship. The link is likely due to sugar's inflammatory effects and its impact on blood sugar levels, which can affect mood. Another myth suggests that a completely plant-based diet is best for mental health. While plant-based diets can be very healthy, they need careful planning to ensure all necessary nutrients are included. Some nutrients important for brain health, like vitamin B12 and omega-3 fatty acids, are more readily available in animal products. There's also a widespread belief that caffeine is bad for mental health. In reality, moderate caffeine consumption can actually have positive effects on mood and cognitive function. However, it's important to note that excessive intake can lead to anxiety and sleep disturbances, which can negatively impact mental health. Lastly, many people believe that you need to make drastic dietary changes to see mental health benefits. This isn't necessarily true. Even small, consistent changes can make a significant difference. Gradually incorporating more whole foods and reducing processed foods can lead to noticeable improvements in mood and mental well-being. Understanding these realities can help individuals make informed decisions about their diet and its impact on their mental health. As we've explored throughout this video, the food we eat plays a crucial role in our mental health and well-being. From providing essential nutrients for brain function to influencing our gut microbiome, our dietary choices have far-reaching effects on our mood, cognitive abilities, and overall mental state. Remember, while diet is a powerful tool for supporting mental health, it's not a substitute for professional medical care. If you're struggling with mental health issues, please reach out to a healthcare professional. I encourage you to reflect on your current diet and consider how you might incorporate some of the strategies we've discussed today. Small changes, consistently applied, can lead to significant improvements in your mental well-being over time. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the fascinating connection between diet and mental health. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. Until next time, here's to nourishing both your body and your mind. This is your friend Gilo signing off from Inquisitive Creation. Thanks so much for watching.